Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a weekend project which is really fun. Some time ago I saw a YouTuber called Stripol and he made an RC paper aeroplane like this one here with using quadcopter parts. I'm not going to go through the same steps which he did in his video, but I'll post a link to his video so that you could follow the exact steps. Anyway, you need one of these quadcopters, and here I have already dismantled one of the boards and mounted to a 3D printer part also provided by Stripol. On top of that, I've made it such that I could replace the battery easily by soldering a mini port here to the board. And in the remote control, in the radar control, you could see that I have spare batteries which I could swap out once I've depleted this battery. In my video, I'm not going to use an ordinary A4 size paper aeroplane. This plane is folded from A4 paper. And this is the one that I'm using. This is my midget, the world's smallest paper RC airplane. To put things into perspective, you can see the iPhone 6 here, and this is the A4 size paper aeroplane, and this is mine. For the midget size paper aeroplane, I actually use slightly more than half of the A4 size paper. The height of the smaller paper is actually 21.1 cm, and the width is 15 cm. With only this much surface area, the question is, will these RC paper aeroplanes still fly? Let's find out. Now that was a quick test of the world's smallest paper RC airplane. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.